Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. GMKtec G3 Plus Mini PC. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. The manual, GMKtec 1 warranty card. We have one VESA mount with screws, the power adapter, 12 volt 3 amps 36 watts power consumption, and the cable length it is 1.5 meters, very convenient. HDMI cable. Cable length it is 1.5 meters. And the mini PC, lightweight and space saving with low power consumption. It's ideal for multitasking, 4K streaming, light work and smart digital solutions. Intel inside, 12th gen twin lake N150 with 4 cores on 3.6 GHz and Intel graphics on 1 GHz. At the front we have the power button, 2 USB 3.2, silicone rubber at the bottom. Here you can use and this VESA mount, cooling vents with one cooling fan inside. This is the version with 8GB DDR4 RAM, max installation 32GB and storage 256GB M2 2280 SSD with max installation 2TB and second M2 slot 2442 with max installation 2TB. 2 HDMI 2.0 4K 60Hz, you can use both for dual screen output. 2 USB 3.2, 1 LAN 2.5G, 3.5mm audio, Kensington lock. Here you can connect the power. And of course HDMI, first, second, or together. And here we can see the cooling heat blades. And at the left and at the right the same. Ventilation. Small and robust, I like it. I like the texture. Connectivity we have Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 version and it comes with Windows 11 Pro. So let's plug it in and check how it works. Starting with Windows setup, which takes no more than a few seconds. I will then show you the BIOS and all the settings you can adjust. Moving on at the BIOS, we can see some informations. Power limit, select, change to high performance. That is very important. Advanced, don't change anything here, I'm just showing you what is the options. Turbo performance. save changes and exit. Now we can watch a high-resolution 4K video on YouTube with the stats for nerds enabled. I like that. The video is running smoothly, with only minor lags that are acceptable given the type of PC. In Task Manager, we can see the CPU is running at 100% due to some background Windows updates. We can also see the actual speed and the all 4 cores are working. It's using a lot of RAM and running at maximum 3200. We can see the read and write speeds of the 256GB storage. Obviously, it's not using a lot of speed because it's an NVMe drive. In a few seconds, I will run a speed test of the NVMe. The Wi-Fi and GPU share it 4GB of memory. At the CoreTemp software, we can see information about the power consumption and temperature of each CPU core. At CPU-Z, we can find information about the CPU, motherboard, memory and graphics. I can run a CPU stress test and at the same time see the power consumption, minimum and maximum temperatures and load. I can hear and the fan is working in full speed. Let's run a speed test on the drive. Its impressive speed makes this mini PC ideal for multitasking. It's a large upgrade from HDD drives. It will be a good idea to use it for light gaming. So, that's our in-depth look at the GMKtec G3 Plus mini PC. I've been genuinely impressed by the performance it packs into such a small form factor, especially for its price point. If you are in the market for a compact, versatile machine that can handle everyday tasks, media consumption and even some light gaming or creative work, the G3 Plus is definitely worth considering. Multiple hardware upgrades are available. For me, the GMKtec G3 Plus truly stands out as an excellent option for anyone needing a reliable and space-saving computer without breaking the bank. It's a testament to how far mini PCs have come. What are your thoughts on this little powerhouse? Let me know in the comments below if you've used it, or if there is anything else you'd like to know about it. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content like this, be sure to hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and of course subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our future uploads. Thanks for tuning in and we'll catch you next time.